Our topic is all about the analysis of student status of internet connectivity toward their academic performance. Dealing with new technologies provides numerous benefits to everyone, particularly students in the midst of pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic had an impact on all levels of education. However, students have a variety of concerns about access to digital learning resources from home, including high-quality internet connections, gaps in access to the right devices such as laptops and desktop PCs, the learning home environment, and the digital skills required to engage in online learning. Thus, this study analyzed the relationship between the student status of internet connectivity and their academic performance. Moreover, there are 34 randomly selected respondents from second year and third year levels of Leyte Normal University. This study also employed descriptive and correlational research design in which frequency distribution was used to illustrate the student's demographic profile and a non-parametric test, specifically Mann-Whitney U test and Kruskal-Wallis test for the test of difference, and Spearman's rho for test of relationship.
This study aims to trace the analysis of student status of internet connectivity towards their academic performance in Leyte Normal University. And specifically, it seeks to answer the following questions. First, what is the demographic profile of the respondents in terms of age, sex, year level, family monthly income, general weight average? Second, is there a significant difference between the demographic profile to academic performance? Third question is there a significant relationship between the student status of internet connectivity and their academic performance? Data were gathered using the two-part structured questionnaires prepared in English language and subjected to pilot testing to ensure the feasibility and content validity. The first part is to collect the demographic profiles of the respondent. This is the demographic profile of the respondents. Researchers also used frequency and did cross-tabulation to explore the student's demographic profile. In addition, researchers tried to use ANOVA. However, one of its assumptions was not satisfied. That is, showing data to be normally distributed. Thus, non-parametric tests were used because the researchers failed the assumptions of the normality of the data under academic performance. The data under the academic performance has a mean of 1.56 and a median of 1.60, in which the values implies that median is greater than mean. Moreover, looking also the histogram, it shows that data are not normally distributed.
In testing the differences, the researchers used Mann-Whitney U test to get the significant difference between the sex and year level, since they have only two groups, and Kruskal-Wallis test to get the significant difference of the variable sex and family monthly income, since these variables have more than two groups. This is the cross-tabulation of students' year level, sex, and age. And also, this is the cross-tabulation of students' year level, sex, and family monthly income. And lastly, this is to test the difference of students' demographic profile and their academic performance. It shows that there is a significant difference between the students' age group and their academic performance, with a p-value of 0.005 using Kruskal-Wallis test. Moreover, there is a significant difference between the students' year-level group and academic performance, with a p-value of 0.005 using Mann-Whitney U test.
The researchers used Spearman rule in identifying the relationship between the student status of internet connectivity and their academic performance. This is the test of relationship between student status of internet connectivity and their academic performance, and it shows that there is a significant relationship between the status of the internet connectivity and their academic performance with a p-value of 0.012. The result also means that the status of the internet connectivity has a moderate correlation to the academic performance with an R equals 0.427. This implies that if a student has a stable internet connectivity, then he or she has a good academic performance. Based on the results of the online survey done by the students, the researchers, therefore, we conclude that internet connectivity poses a great impact to their academic performance, especially this online learning. It showed that the status of internet connectivity has a moderate correlation to the academic performance. This means that the lack of access to internet connectivity was among the challenges encountered by the students to have a better academic performance. Furthermore, the study revealed that there is a significant differences between the age group and academic performance, and also there is a significant difference between year-level group and academic performance. Overall, the study shown that the use of internet for study purposes and academic achievements is directly proportional to each other.